Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of data visualization with Python. Ever looked at a spreadsheet full of numbers and felt a bit overwhelmed? That's where visualization comes in. It turns boring data into beautiful, easy-to-understand charts. And one of the most useful charts you can create is a histogram. So, what exactly is a histogram? Think of it as a way to see the story behind your numbers. It shows you the frequency distribution of your data. In simple terms, it groups your data into ranges, or bins, and then tells you how many data points fall into each group. It's perfect for understanding patterns, like how student scores are spread out, or the distribution of customer ages. Let's get practical and build one right now using Python's most popular plotting library, Matplotlib. Imagine we have a list of student test scores, say, from 0 to 100. Our goal is to see how many students scored in the 60s, 70s, 80s, and so on. First things first, you'll need to import the library. In your Python script, you'll type import matplotlib pyplot as PLT. We use as PLT as a common shorthand to make our code cleaner. Next, let's say our list of scores is stored in a variable called scores. To create the histogram, the code is incredibly simple. All you need to write is PLT, hist, scores. That's it. This one line of code tells Matplotlib to take our scores, figure out the best way to group them, and count how many fall into each group. But just creating the plot isn't enough. We need to actually see it. To do that, we add the line PLT show. When you run your script, a new window will pop up showing your histogram. You'll see bars of different heights, where each bar represents a range of scores, and the height of the bar shows how many students achieved a score in that range. Now, a chart without labels is like a book without a title. It's hard to understand. Let's make our histogram clear and professional. We can add a title to our chart using plt.title distribution of student scores. This tells anyone looking at the chart exactly what it's about. We also need to label our axes. The horizontal x-axis represents the score ranges, and the vertical y-axis represents the number of students. We can label them by adding PLT, xlabel scores, and PLT, illabel number of students. So, the complete, clean code looks like this. Import matplotlib pyplot as PLT. Define your scores list, then PLT, hist scores. Plot, title distribution of student scores, PLT, slabel scores, PLT, illabel, number of students, and finally, PLT show. And there you have it. In just a few simple lines of Python, you've turned a list of numbers into a powerful visual story. You can now instantly see where the majority of students scored and get a real feel for the overall class performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Python and data science tutorials. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.